Hi guys, welcome to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make the Southwest omelette. Okay, your Southwest omelette is usually found in Arizona, Texas, and we like our food very colorful, plus it's like a salad. So for this we're going to eat some onions, some nice red, cherry tomatoes. This is optional if you want to put mushrooms, but definitely peppers, jalapenos, cilantro, jack cheese, and avocado, which goes into the omelette, and of course eggs. This is about 2 eggs beaten really well with salt and pepper, and to add a different flavor to it, little turmeric is also added. Okay guys, so now pan is nice and hot. Now you can take a bigger pan if you want to, but the oil has to be a little more in this. The reason is because you're going to saute these vegetables, okay? So I'm going to add my onions. Look at the dice of onions. To this I'm going to add my mushrooms and saute them a little bit. And this is my jalapeno peppers. You can add more peppers the way you want it. Cook it a little bit. Oh, nice flavor. Okay, so now let it wilt just a little bit, okay? You want to feel the crunchiness in the omelette, so you don't want to cook this more. To this now we're going to add some tomatoes. Now tomatoes has some moisture in it. Let that cook. You don't want the tomatoes to wilt. Just let dry up the moisture. There you are. Just spread this a little bit, really nice. And to this, now keep it real low. You're gonna add the egg. So 2 eggs, really beaten well. And you can see this. You move this around. Okay, keep it real low now. Move this around like a frittata. Move it around. So now is the main part. I'm going to add some cilantro in it. Here's nice cilantro. Some avocados. Wow. Very nice, some avocados. And of course some cheese, which goes right in the center. So you're going to fold this omelette so you can put the amount of cheese you want. Now we have taken jack cheese in this. So now just move this. Lock all this up. Form a nice wedge into it. So now you have everything. You can raise the heat up a little bit. I'm going to flip this up really well. Okay, so now you got it all shut, and also now you got to flip this really well. Here's our omelette is flipped. Let it cook a little bit more. And seal this omelette well. So you can flip this in your plate. Now this is all ready. And this is more like a salad and an omelette inside. And you love this. Now it's all ready because you want to let the cheese cook in the heat and let it sit in the plate, and it will be nice and ready now. So voila, our Southwestern omelette is here already. So our omelette is ready, and then you just put it, here we go. This is our omelette, all ready to eat. Okay guys, so Wasn't that a great experience watching me make this omelette, the Southwest omelette? You definitely have to try this recipe. And me try it. Oh man, this tomato. It's so nice, and the cheese and everything's melted in it. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!